What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Vega, and today we're gonna be talking about the 5 things that I cannot live without, whether I am at home, whether I am on vacation. I need these things in order for me to function correctly. It's just like part of who I am. You get what I'm saying? So as you can see right now, I am not in my regular setting. I am not at home. I am currently on vacation right now, you know, just chilling and enjoying this nice 7-day cruise ship. I wanted to bring you along the ride, show you what I've been doing lately, show you what the ship is about. It's not gonna be a crazy travel vlog of me like getting drunk and going to like the club or and going to like this place or the other. It's just more of me chilling, relaxing, and then I'll go ahead and show you the 5 things that I cannot live without. Let's get right into it. One of the greatest things in waking up every single day on a cruise ship is this right here. Views like this every morning. I get to see the ocean, the sky, and it just puts me on a better mood. Today, it's all about a chill day as well. We are at sea, so that means that we're not gonna get off the ship. We're not gonna go anywhere specifically. And yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and watch a bunch of videos that I downloaded on Netflix, on HBO Max, which, by the way, if you haven't watched The Hype on HBO Max, you gotta watch it, especially if you're into like fashion and streetwear, because you'll learn a lot from that show. And also, I've been watching this anime series called Kuroko's Basketball. It's like a Japanese anime series about basketball. It's pretty dope, pretty intense at times. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna go grab some ice cream right now, because if you ever been on a cruise ship, you gotta have the ice cream from here, man, especially on that waffle cone. Yeah, so let me show you the fit really quick. Fear of God fitted, vintage tee, some crazy little floral shorts to be on the whole cruise vibe, Crocs, and yeah, I'm still recovering, so I got this. But yeah, let's keep it going. There's that ice cream boy. Bro, don't tell me the ice cream lady's not here. Don't tell me the ice cream lady's not here, boy. Damn, boy. It's right there and I don't have no lady. Bruh. Give me a second, bro. I need my ice cream. Give me a second. Perfect. Thank you so much. Mission accomplished. Look at that, boy. Woo-wee. Before I can chill, I have to make a quick little stop. So this is for my boys that have girls out there. They have their shorties. Just when you're about to chill and do something, don't they always ask like, hey, can you do this for me? Oh yeah, so I went ahead and had ice cream, and shorty wanted some type of mojito, so I'm doing that first, and then I'll go and chill the rest of the day, you feel me? Yes, sir. So as you can see, I am back at home, back in my studio, and now let's go ahead and talk about the 5 things that I cannot live without. So what I'm gonna do for this part of the video is separate everything in categories. I'm gonna give you examples of the things that I cannot live without, and I'm also gonna go ahead and share links in the description down below for some of the items that I'm gonna be talking about today, just in case you're interested. But the first thing that I wanna go ahead and talk about are video games. I really cannot live without video games. I've been having video games since I was like 6-7 years old. So for example, on the trip that I just went to, I took my Nintendo Switch. I played a lot of Mario Golf, and yeah, man, it was definitely a good amount of fun. And then when I come home, and whenever I'm home, my console of choice is my PS5. So I play GTA, 2K, Call of Duty. Those are like my top games. and it's just a good way of like bonding with your friends whenever you have a long day at work and you just want to disconnect from everything. This definitely does it for me. So video games is something that I really need in my life. As much as I love video games, I really cannot live without music. Music to me is very special. It's something that a lot of you might not know this, but it's something that I used to create back in the day. I used to write, I used to rap, sing, produce, music engineering, all of that, and that's another story for another day. To me, it just lets you go through situations in life. It puts you in a better mood. You know, if you're working from home, you know, it's a good vibe right there. If you're at the gym, if you're in a more private setting, or if you're traveling, me for example, I like to hear music as well. And whenever those situations come around, I go ahead and take my Beats earbuds right here, and these are a must. If you're in the market right now for any kind of earbuds, I highly recommend that you get these right here. These are very small, they're very comfortable, they're not awkward like the AirPods. To me, this is just a very good pair of earbuds. If you like hip-hop, R&B, reggaeton, or any kind of urban music like that, you're definitely going to enjoy these because these have good bass and the vocals are also good as well. And yeah, they come with their own little charger right here, which I never had any kind of issues of the batteries running out. So music is something that I cannot live without, and these right here just make it more enjoyable. The next thing that I cannot live without, and it just wouldn't be right, especially if this is a fashion and sneaker channel, are sneakers. I really cannot live without sneakers. And for the average person, this might be an essential. Like, of course, you need sneakers to walk around, and you need sneakers if you want to be more comfortable or for sports or whatever it is. But for a person that loves fashion and sneaker, and of course sneakerheads out there, you guys are going to agree, we need crispy pair of kicks. And to me, having a crispy pair of kicks with a dope ass outfit makes you feel like you can conquer the world, and a lot of you probably feel the same way as well. So for me, definitely sneakers is something that I cannot live without. I'm not necessarily going to talk about my favorite kicks, that's probably another video, but I can tell you that these are some of my favorites. Of course, the Sean Weatherspoons, the 700 Mobs because of fall time right now, and the Lightning because any sneaker collector needs these right here. But yeah, man, when it comes down to having sneakers, it's just something I really cannot live without. So of course, being that this is a fashion channel and something that I rock all the time, of course, I gotta include hats. Hats is something that I really cannot live without. And that's not because I'm a baldy, because you guys know that I do have hair, but it's more of, I feel that it looks better with certain outfits. I also feel that whenever you don't want to do your hair, you rock a hat with the outfit and you coordinate it properly, then it looks better as well. I mean, hats have been around for decades. They are part of the hip hop culture, part of streetwear culture. So of course, I mean, it's something that I'm always going to talk about in this channel. But for me, it's something that I've been rocking for such a long time. And I'm not necessarily talking about fitteds, just in case you're wondering. I like fitteds, snapbacks, strapbacks, all kinds of hats, and I like them so much that I did a video recently, and if you want to go ahead and check that out, I go ahead and talk about my favorite hats. So I'll probably put a link right there just in case you want to check it out. But either way, man, hats is something that I really cannot live without. The last thing that I cannot live without, especially in the last 3 years that I've been creating YouTube videos, has to be a camera. I really cannot live without a camera, man. Like, if I don't have a camera, I cannot record these videos, and it is really my main tool of recording these videos. The one that I'm using right now is the Sony A6400. I use it 99% of the time to record all of my videos, lookbooks, these sit-down videos, my green screen videos, all of that good stuff. It is a very good camera. It records in 4K. And I used to have a Canon back in the day, but once I switched to the Sony, it's just, to me, in my opinion, it's night and day. So I'm never going back to anything less but a Sony mirrorless camera. So just in case you were wondering, that is my main camera. But also when I was on this recent trip, I was using my GoPro, and this is what I use whenever I want something more light, something more low-key, and whenever I don't want to put my main camera on jeopardy, I use the GoPro. So yeah, a camera is something that I highly need in my life, and at this point I really cannot live without it. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this content. It was a little bit different than my normal type of videos with the whole travel vlog and then coming back home and finishing off the video. If you guys enjoy these type of videos just like this, let me know that in the comment section. I want to incorporate more vlogging, and if you like my vlogging style, let me know that as well. That way I can continue to make those videos for you. Also guys, let me know in the comment section, what's your favorite video game console? Are you team Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo? I mean, just let me know that in the comment section. I think it would be a very cool conversation to have. But yeah, man, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, I hope you found it informative and entertaining, of course. So if you haven't done this by now, you already know the vibes. Go ahead and subscribe. Smash the like button, it really does mean a lot, and also hit that bell. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video. Also guys, if you're not doing so, follow me on Instagram at carlosvega101. I'm always updating the date and time of my videos, and it's just a cool little way to keep up with me as well. So with that being said, till next time, peace. If you made it this far, you are the real MVP. Go ahead and comment Onyx to confuse the hell out of everyone, and we can have a little bit more fun. Till next time, peace.